is what do to be like? It's your girl Meechie, and I'm back with another video. So I'm kind of running a little, not running late, but I'm trying to hurry up. This is gonna be a get ready with me for a military ball. So y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a little montage. So hope y'all ready. Bye. What's up, y'all? Before we get into all the other stuff, I'm gonna show y'all kind of a little clips that I have of me making the dress that I'm wearing. It's just gonna be like a couple clips because I didn't really record that much. Sorry. But I got what the dress looked like before. I cut it and everything. And then you'll see me taking in the sides more, making it slanted, and then you'll see pictures of when I add the jewels and stuff to the dress. That's all that'll be shown. And then after that, it'll just be me trying on the dress and everything. So yeah. All right, so boom. This is just an update. Sorry, y'all. I need to let y'all know now. I finished the dress. I know I was supposed to film it and everything, but it just didn't work out like that. I finished the dress. The only thing I have left to do now is the jewel part of it, so I'll show y'all that when I get the jewels and everything for that. But as far as the main part of the dress is done. Yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Peace. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I went to Hobby Lobby and got the jewels that I needed to put on the dress. It says they were $7.99, but when I went in there, I think they had like 40% off sale, so I really got it for like $3-4. But we're gonna see if they do what they do. Ooh, you see it sparkling on the carpet? Okay. Hopefully this turned out right. Fingers crossed. Look what came. Y'all, this is my mask for the military ball. Actually, nah, I'm gonna wait and show y'all later. Just stay tuned. Boom. So we got the goods. In here, basically what I got was this, which is basically like a fur shawl type of thing, because if you didn't see my dress, it only had, it's like spaghetti straps, so there's a little balcony and it might be a little cold, so I just got this. It's a little fur piece of fabric. All I got was half a yard. It's long enough to, you know, wrap around me and stuff. It's gonna look cute when it come all together. It's gonna look cute, period. Next, I got this from Hobby Lobby. I got this because it's like string, and I need the black string because the black string is what I'm going to use. This is a picture of what I'm trying to envision my shoes to be. So I bought some regular black heels with a clear strap on the front and just one regular strap, but it doesn't have the like laces that lace up. So I'm using this to lace it up on my leg, and then I'm gonna take those jewels that were in a previous, you know, clip. I'm gonna take those jewels and glue those jewels to the back of the thing. Well, y'all probably already seen the jewels on the back of the thing, but yeah, that's what I'm doing, and that's what it's gonna look. Bye. So these are what the shoes look like right now. I'm finished with them. I have to show y'all before picture, because I don't think I took a before picture, or I didn't record while I was doing this, so I'll just pop those pictures up here on the screen right now of me in the process, or me actually before I start. I don't know, I can't remember, but yeah, these are what they look like now. This string I actually bought separately because the shoe was just the strap and the heel, but I bought this because I wanted it to tie up on my legs, so y'all see that when I wear it. Okay.